Hey, welcome to the Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the ham steak we did on the Mesa 400 gas grill. Hey, I'm Craig, Memory Honey Cameras, Jack. Pressure's on, my wife's out here watching today. Got the Mesa Monument 400, or the Monument Mesa 400 fired up tonight. Got a beautiful ham steak from Stone Arch Farm. You've seen some of our videos, the Mangalista pork. We actually have a ham steak. So this is going to be a super quick one tonight. This video is probably only going to be a few minutes long. And in fact, if I keep talking, it'll be more length to this video. But just going to throw in the gas grill, pretty much high heat, cook it to about 145, pull it off. That's going to be about it. I was going to do a side out here tonight, but 90 some degrees and storms are coming. So just going to try to keep it quick with a ham steak. So let's get it on the grill. All right, let's get on the grill. Like I said, I got the burners on, a little above medium, because again, this isn't going to take long at all. I will watch to make sure there's some flames because this is a little bit fattier pork. So going to go about 2 minutes, come back and check it. All right, so that was just 2 minutes and we just started having some flames on that fat, which I knew was going to happen. So, but now let's go. We're just going to go like 2 minutes yet and we're probably going to be done, but I'll verify with temperatures. All right, so it's only a minute, but I want to just double check temperatures here because we're probably going to be done here. There's 150 there. It's hard to get with a thinner steak like that, or a thinner piece. Yep, we're done. This is coming off. See you on the cutting board. Looks good though. Let's see. Yeah, would have liked a little bit more color on that bottom, but top looks great. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Like I mentioned, it's going to be a super quick one. It's only about 3 minutes on the grill. I had it on medium high. 2 minutes on one side, made a nice color. Flipped to the other side, checked it after a minute, it was already done. So I didn't want to do too much else to it because, like I said, 145 is all you need for pork. We were above 150 for that. So again, Stone Arch Farm, we'll have the links for their website. You can order it, they ship, you can pick it up if you're in the Pennsylvania area. So excellent stuff, and I can't wait to try this. So let's cut into it. Just take a section off the side here. Nice and tender. As I mentioned, storms are coming. Looks good though. Yeah, just a good ham flavor that I'm used to here in Pennsylvania, so this is going to be a good meal. Hope you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.